All right, if you're watching this video, this is the last one I'm going to do for the day. I did a handful. I had a good time. This is Corey here. Thanks for watching the channel. This video just goes to show how cool the planet is when it comes to north, south, east, west, South America, North America, Asia, Africa. There's a lot of cool pieces of dirt on this planet. And the reason I really enjoy this company is because you meet so many people. And even if they're not in my downline or my group, I don't care. I help literally every day people that are already signed up in LiveGood and they're not in my downline. I feel good that they come to me for just basic advice. I'm no expert by any means, but I think I can get them unstuck on how to promote something or how to contact the company, or there's a lot of questions, but they're very easy to answer. And I get it. Sometimes people can't really search for what they need. They'd rather just get a hold of somebody. And I don't mind. Even if my downline has 50,000 people, if I see somebody's question and if I have a couple minutes, I'll gladly answer. I just want to show you this guy. He made my night, even though it might be his day where he's at. Let me shrink myself here. This is my YouTube channel. And this handsome guy here is one of the doctors. He and his wife are in charge of all of our products. And he's a handsome son of a gun, and he has all of his hair. I'm jealous. Okay, he was watching one of our live Zoom meetings, and he wrote me earlier. Okay, and if you guys can see, I'll try to say his name, and I hope that I'm not mispronouncing it, because if he watches this video, I might mispronounce your name. It's either Sujoy Bizwaz, and I don't know if it's backward as far as Bizwaz Sujoy, but I'm just going to say Sujoy. And I love that name. It's got joy in it, and that's a good thing. So anyway, he wrote me earlier, and he just said, "I'm so proud for your nice plan." And it's not that it's my plan, it's the company plan. So that was nice. I wrote him back, and I can't remember. Let me see if my comment will pop up here. But I just wrote him, "Thanks. Have a great day over there," because I know he's on the other side of the planet. And then he just wrote back. I can't remember. Let's see. Yeah, about 10 minutes ago, he just wrote back why I was ending my day. And it just said, "I am poor, but I will try my best service for achieve all rank and fulfill my dreams." And right there, I'm like, holy shit, this is mind-blowing. It makes me so humble, because where I live is Utah. I live in the Salt Lake City area of Utah in the United States, and he is way far away. But I'll tell you, if he was in town, I'd buy him the best lunch or dinner tomorrow, because I admire that. I've been rock bottom. I've had a pot to piss in. I've lost and made money, I think 3 times. When I really analyze my life, it's been a roller coaster of income, savings, business success, business failure, getting fired, getting hired. That's just the way life is. And when I see somebody that writes that they are poor, but they're going to work as hard as they can to achieve their dreams, that is mind-blowing. That is mind-blowing. I'm not even tired anymore. When I turned off my camera, and you can see my ring light in my glasses. Well, I turned this light off, and then I just looked over at my YouTube channel, and I saw that I had a new comment. And when I read that, it's why I really enjoy this company. Even if I don't make a lot of money, I still would do this. Even if it was free, I'd probably still promote this company, because I have no other way to meet people all over the world that are going to work hard to achieve their dreams. And if he found my website or found my channel on YouTube or whatever, and he took time out of his day to write me or write the company and just say, "Hey, congratulations, company." He's really happy for what's going on. And then to say that he's going to work hard because he doesn't have a lot of money, that's awesome. He didn't ask for any money. He just says, "I don't have a lot of money, but I'm going to work hard to achieve my dreams." So effing cool. He made my day. I hope one day I can maybe get a hold of him, or maybe I'll send him something from America. I don't know what, but it's just so fun. "I am poor, but I will try my best service for achieve all rank and fulfill my dreams. Right on, Sujoy. I have no doubt that with this company being based on $9.95 a month membership, $100 if you want, a couple months for the year, based on $40 being an affiliate, it's such an affordable program to make money and to buy really cool products. But the best part, there's two. It's affordable for this whole frickin' world. I can't believe the success of South Africa, the Ivory Coast, and mixed with countries that have way less opportunity than me sitting here in Salt Lake City, which is just full of shit ton of cash. So, but it is awesome. So anyway, this will end my broadcast day. If you're watching this in the morning or night or 10 years later, it's just been a long Saturday. It's late at night. And thank you, Sujoy. I'm going to send you a link to this. I hope you get to watch it. And you made my day. You made my day, amigo. All right, folks. If you want to join LiveGood, you know what to do. Just look at the link underneath. And hopefully you guys will get a kick out of doing this business like I do as well and meet people all over the planet. So, okay. Have fun, you guys. We'll see you next video. It should be popping up right on the side of my head here in 2 seconds. All right, take care.